Welcome back, Red Knight Nation. It's a fine day, the sun's finally out. Let me just check out that snow. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go through the snow. There's a Well, there is another snow system coming Friday. So, everyone's getting prepared for that one. As we walk across the snow. So, you guys are probably wondering lunch. Where are they going? So, we are going to church for the game day event. Well, there's board games and everything, card games. So I got the lunch here. So I'm going to show you some snow pictures on the right there. I won't be able to record any of the game sessions, but don't know yet. Stay tuned. Here's some of the side streets. Of course, I wish I had a phone mount in the car so I could actually show you during the snowstorm. But hey, you guys get to see the aftermath. So, see you guys soon. We're on one of the main roads here, Boston Road. Looks like it's slowly melting away. But we got Sweet with us.
Hello.
So how was the event?
What event?
The snow event for you?
Yeah, it was just fine for me. Why not? I'm at home. Didn't have to get out, shovel, nothing. Somebody else did that.
So what are you expecting for today?
Sunshine.
Nah, that's not what I meant, sorry.
No. What?
Game. Why you had me go back upstairs to get lunch?
Oh, we're having a game day at our church. So you just have to bring a lunch and they bring everything else.
So we don't know what to really expect. So, what games do you think are there?
I expect to win, baby. Win! I have no idea.
So, there's snow on the road, and I'll catch you guys soon. We finished game night at church, or game day, whatever it's called now. Played an interesting dominoes game. Mexican Train, as they call it. She won most of the games. And points, too.
That's what I said. I was gonna win.
And I got last place overall.
Yeah, but they always say last place comes in first.
So, probably gonna show you. Might show you other places, might not. Or we're probably just gonna head home now. Rest for the rest of the day. So with that, I'll see you guys around.